Hi, warriors. This is Jalen, my legal warrior, and I wanted to make this segment about the coronavirus and supervised visitation orders. So, if there is supervised visitation orders that are already in effect, then you can still exercise your visitation, right? Especially with what the CDC has put out, that they do not allow gatherings for more than 10 individuals, and supervised visitations is between you and the other child, and of course, the supervisor. So there are plenty of supervisors out there. They're called professional supervisors. There's monitors out there, professional monitors, and they can be there during your exchange. They can be there after the exchange and the actual visitation portion of it. So read your court orders and figure out what is required in order for you to exercise supervised visitation. Now, there are many supervisors out there, and whether you have a good one or a bad one, that's really going to be entirely up to you vetting those supervisors. And one of the ones that we have used continuously is 123 Visitation. We recommend for individuals that do have supervised visitation orders to check them out. We're not advocating for them, and we're also not saying don't go through them. We're very neutral about it, but this is just one program that I did want to share with you. And they actually have some guides and tips on their website, which we thought were very helpful. And we definitely share it with our clients that have supervised visitations, or even if the other parent has supervised visitations. Let's take a look at what they are offering. So if you're the non-custodial parent, so basically the parent that is on the supervised visitations, being with your child in the presence of someone else may be uncomfortable, at least in the beginning. You probably will have many questions, and that's perfectly understandable. You're gonna have to do your best to focus on your relationship with your child. Your patience and commitment are important during this time. So you need to read the court order, arrive and depart on time. You should always just arrive early. Don't discuss your custody case issues. Don't quiz your child about the other parent's private life. Do not make your child a messenger to the other parent. Understand that love, patience, and commitment will pay off and help you have a better relationship with your child now and in the future. And then focus on the main purpose, which is the valuable time that you have with your child during this visitation. So if you're the custodial parent, then it's definitely understandable that this is also a difficult time, because now the other party is having visitation with your child, and they also don't know the supervisor, and they've only been with you, but yet this is now the court order. So you can do the following to help this make it a little bit easier for you, is to understand what the court order is. Again, arrive on time, or actually you should just arrive early to make sure that the child is there on time. Explain to your child where and when the visits will take place. Reassure your child that you support them in having a pleasant visit. Do not quiz them about the visitation, and encourage the parent-child relationship with the visiting parent. So this is very important, and we agree with all of that. That's a great tip for the parent that is not on supervised visitation. And then to both parents, visitation can be difficult and uncomfortable. There's hurt and angry feelings towards the other parent. It also may seem impossible to have a positive attitude about supervised visitations. And I'm going to repeat that. It may seem impossible to have a positive attitude about supervised visitations. And this positive attitude is going to make or break the supervised visitations with your child, or the whole entire experience for your child. So, clearly going through supervised visitations is not positive. It's not something good, but you have to roll with the punches. You have to follow these court orders, and you just need to get through this and really just focus on your relationship with your child. So remember that both of you care about your child, and your child will benefit by having both parents in their lives whenever possible, and that they're obviously here to help you get there. So that's 1, 2, 3, child visitation. You could call them, email them, and if you wanted to set up a visitation with them, then great. If you don't, that's okay too. We don't advocate for them. We're not affiliated with them. We just do like using them because they are responsive and they really do care about both the custodial and the non-custodial parent. And they really go above and beyond to ensure the safety of the children constantly. Well, we hope that you can share this video with friends, family, people that are in your social network, people that fell out of your social network, anybody that you think can benefit from supervised visitations. And perhaps there's not a court order in effect, but the other party is willing to have any sort of visitation, including supervised visitations. This is a great video for them to at least explore what supervised visitations can look like for them and to use these guides and tips from 1, 2, 3 child visitation. We hope that you are able to share this video. We hope that you stay safe, warriors, and thank you so much for taking the time to view our video. Thank you.